Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a car that we've taken in part exchange, not our normal type of car. So it's a Vauxhall Insignia 1.8 16 valve SRI. So when we took this in part exchange, there was a problem with the gearbox. So we've taken the gearbox out and we've sent it to our local company and had the gearbox refurbed. And I found out later that apparently this is quite a common thing on Insignias, so this one's now been done. It's got service history with it. It's got one previous owner and it's covered 74,000 miles. And to be fair, for the money, it's a lot of car for the money. We'll put the full details of the spec and everything on the advert. But as you can see, it's well clean and tidy and presentable. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you'd like to view it or have a test drive or you've got any questions at all, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.